and just connect the Bluetooth and play, is not gonna play from the outer box loud, because I don't know what the safety or whatever they did. So when you click this mode a couple times, it's gonna be making the beep noise, and you can lift the power another 50. Hey guys, if you're in the market for BUGANI M83 Bluetooth speaker, this is the video for you. This is a really nice device. On this video, I'm going to cover all the functionalities and quickly play the couple of music, and we're going to see how's the sound quality, all that stuff. They're advertising 50-watt power output for the two drivers, IPX6, the water splash proof, and as you can see, built like a tank. Very, very nice speaker. On the back, you have a massive two passive radiators, and on this part, you have USB output. You can charge your devices, MP3 players, your phone, if you're playing TFT card slide, so you can dump all the music and you can play there, and you have a charging port, auxiliary input, and this cover, it's closed really good. That's why you have IPX6 ratings. On the front, as you can see, grill is really nice. On the bottom, you have a paddings, anti-slip paddings, or anti-vibration paddings, because this speaker produce a lot of bass. On this side, you have a couple on this side, you have a buttons, volume up and down, power, play, pause, mode, and you can sync multiple speakers, exactly same speakers, or the BUGANI lane speakers. The grill, I told you it's going to be aluminum grill, but there's a plastic, but the design wise really good. You can throw tons of bass, and it doesn't rattle, doesn't do any kind of, the bad sound. It's just a clean sound. This part, you can just put the stand up size like that, or you can just, turn it up. Alright, we're going to start from 50% volume.
I never will make it by. And I can be the fittest of you and I won't make it without you by my side. I can walk and see, I can talk and fly without you in my mind. I'm so lost without you.
Alright, so as you can see, sound quality, this is not the loudest speaker I ever test, so the size wise is a big, but you can get a lot louder speaker than this speaker. Hey guys, I'm re-recording this part, right? I say this is not the loudest speaker on the market, but very nice, good quality details. But I found some hint option, like mode button. You're gonna press the mode a couple times, and it's gonna make beep noise, so you can lift the volume a lot higher. Now, as I say, how this 50-watt speaker is sound not loudest, but it's okay. And I just turned on this 30-watt version, and this one was louder than this guy, right? It's a M90 smaller one. So I was just clicking these modes, but guys, if you receive this speaker and just connect the Bluetooth and play, it's not gonna play from the outer box loud, because I don't know what the safety or whatever they did. So when you click this mode a couple times, it's gonna be making the beep noise, and you can lift the power another 50%. So now this guy, now I understand this guy is a 50-watt speaker, right? Watch the sound quality. You see, this is a 50% now. It wasn't like. Look at the sound quality in detail, guys. Watch. Now I'm with the 100%. It's loud. So actually, I read the reviews that some guys are saying, it's not the loud speaker, it's not the loud. Like couple of reviews, it was like a 3-star. They didn't know that hint. I actually discovered that hint, and this guy is like, as you can see, it plays loud. Let me play the different music. Now these guys is like shaking a lot. right, now it's a 5-star speaker. I'm glad I didn't upload that video with the not the loudest speaker. Yeah, you gotta find out how these speakers work it sometimes, right? Really good speakers, definitely 5-star. It's loud, it gets loud. It still didn't distort any. Right, no distortion. The tweeter's clarity, it's amazing. Like it plays like a two-way speaker, right? But it's only single drivers, but the drivers are full range drivers, and they manage very nice the passive radiator. As you can see, huge passive radiators on the both sides. So no matter how much bass you throw, they're not getting any distortion, right? And the play is really, really good. All right, this is my favorite speaker now. I thought, this is not sounding good. All right, next video, this guy, we're gonna take a look at this guy also. This is a very, very good gift for your friends if you go to outside, the barbecues, hiking. The hiking a little bit heavy, but yeah, I think it's amazing. This is all the gifts for my friends, but definitely, this is very, very good speakers. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video, guys.